izindaba zehora lokuqala sokwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
It is not because of what was said at Madlanga. This thing was with IDEC since 2024.
I-NPA ithi sekuphele iminyaka emibili iphenya ngethenda elathulwa yinkampani kaVusumuzi Khet Matlala njengoba kulindele ukuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Ufane Masemola athweswe amacala okwephula i-PFMA ngenxa yalo leli thenda.
We are happy that the court is refusing to be dragged into political spaces, and it's also refusing to want to impose leadership of structures of the ANC.
Sichithiwe isicelo selungu le-ANC ebelizama ukuvimba ukuqala kwengqungquthela ye-ANC yokukhetha ubuholi eLimpopo lokhu njengoba ke udaba lwengqungquthela yase-Eastern Cape luphindela inkantolo namhlanje ntambama ngemva kwesinqumo esikhishwe izolo ezivimba ukuqala kwayo.
The number of municipalities across the country that are now under administration is growing, including 7 here in the Free State.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ukhuthaza uhulumeni wesifundazwe eFree State ngokuthi kuzofanele welekelele ukusimamiswa komasipala abadonsa kanzima njengoba ke iqhubekile ke nohlelo lokuhambela ke izifundazwe namhlanje.
The result is important. It's always important. Not the other way. The most important thing for me is, besides the result, is the performance of the team.
Baruma sibhekwe semidlalo bafana izobhekana nePanama emidlalweni wokuqala ongcwele enkundleni ke Moses Mabhida namhlanje kusishwa njengoba ke ilungiselela ke ukubamba iqhaza emqhudelwaneni wendebe yomhlaba ngoNhlangulana. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke izindabeni zehora lokuqala ezinqqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke la ku-SABC Lehigh. Mina ke igama lami nginguDaud Phungula ake singene kuzwa ke imbukeli ezihamba phambili emini nje. Uphiko lwezindaba ze-SABC selitholeke imithombo yale ethembekile ukuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Ufane Masemola ngenzeke abekwa kamacala amane mayelana ke nezinsolo zokwephula komthetho olawula ukuphathwa kwemali yabakhokhintela izikhawu ezine. Le insolo ke ziyamene ke nohlelo lokukhishwa kwethenda lezigidi ke zamarandi elahlinzekwa inkampani kaVusumuzi Khet Matlala iMedicare 24 Tshwane District.
Ukuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uGeneral Ufane Masemola wenze ukuphambene nomthetho lawula ukusetshenziswa kwemali yabakhokhintela amahlandla amane. Lezi nsolo zihlobene nohlelo lokukhishwa kwethenda lezigidi zamarandi elanikwa inkampani kaVusumuzi Khet Matlala iMedicare 24 Tshwane District. I-NPA ithi IDEC iqale ukuphenya ngalolu daba eminyakeni emibili edlule.
Now came to a point where we were sure that we are ready with all the evidence, and that is why the arrests happened the day that it happened. Yeah. Therefore, obviously in between there would have been rumors, but the investigation took about 2 years to do. It is not because of what was said at Madlanga. This thing was with IDEC since 2024.
Lo mengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usezwakalise ukukhathazeka ngemuva kokuboshwa kwezikhulu zomnyango wamaphoyisa ngoLwesibili ngezinsolo zokubandakanyeka enkohlakaleni yokukhishwa kwethenda kaMatlala.
Having conversations with the various people who are involved in the security cluster, and we will be making an announcement soon about what I am going to do.
Work to do, which I have almost completed, reflecting on the options that could be considered in the circumstances, and I will be sending my advice, my view to the President, but it should be remembered that this is the President's decision.
Indeleke ukuthi avele enkantolo mhla zingama-29 kuMbasa lapho ezothweswa khona amacala asolwa ngawo ngokusemthethweni.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ukhuthaza uhulumeni wesifundazwe eFree State ngokuthi kuzofanele welekelele ukusimamiswa komasipala abadonsa kanzima. Umengameli ke uqhuba uhlelo lwakhe lokuhambela kobuholi ke beyifundazwe ezahlukene ngenhloso yokubhunga nabo ke ngezinselela ababhekene nazo.
He never finished.
uMengameli Ramaphosa utshele ubuholi besishamthetho sase-Free State ukuthi ukufatabala kokusebenza komasipala esifundazweni kungaba nomthelela ongemuhle ohlelweni lokheha abatshali imali. Udaba lwenkinga yamanzi nokungaqoqo kwemfucuza ngokunye uMengameli afuna kulungiswe ngokusheshsha esifundazweni.
To attract investors, we've got to make our municipalities functional. No investor will invest in a town that is not functional. They will not come and invest in a town that does not have water, that does not have proper roads internally in the town, that has potholes.
Ukwenyuka kwesibalo somasipala sebefakwe ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli ngokunye uMengameli athe kufanele kubhekisiswe kakhulu. Esifundazweni iFree State bangaphezulu kwabahlanu umasipala abafakwe ngaphansi komlawuli ngenxa yokwehluleka kwabo. uMengameli ukhuthaze ukuthi kulusane kakhulu nokubhubhudlwa kwemali kanye nenkohlakalo egubuzele omasipala abaningi kuzwelonke.
The number of municipalities across the country that are now under administration is growing, including 7 here in the Free State. Underfunding, lack of capacity, high debt levels, struggling revenue collection or generation models are just some of the challenges. At the same time, many municipalities are practically paralyzed by poor governance, financial mismanagement, and corruption.
uMengameli usehambele ubuholi bezifundazwe ezisishiyagalombili. Isifundazwe azophothula kuso iWestern Cape.
Luphindela ke enkantolo udaba lwengqungquthela ye-ANC esifundazweni Eastern Cape ke namhlanje ntambama ngemva kokuthi izolo inkantolo inquma ukuthi ingaqhubeki.
ANC will have to wait for the Secretary General, if anything, because that's the person who takes decision on behalf of the ANC to say what needs to be done. So the conference is not proceeding because he's put it on abeyance until all issues are being dealt with. As you know, we have a court this afternoon to deal with our interdict, our appeal, and therefore we'll wait for that appeal. As we said yesterday, as developments happens, we will brief the media. We will be able to communicate. But for now, we focus on that appeal, being able to pay attention, but again to deal with all the other issues that needs to be dealt with. For example, it's not the first time, by the way, we had a conference in Sarabhatman where the SG actually wrote a letter to put it on hold and stop the conference because there was no court order, but it was because there were letters that was before him to say that the conference must stop because they had not concluded all the appeals. So every time the SG will write and say you must comply with the following. So currently where he's sitting, we have not yet fully. We need to finish the issues of the disputes which we are concluding now, and then the court matter, he wants to deal with that, and then he will communicate to us.
Kusenjalo inkantolo ephakeme yasePolokwane isichithile isicelo esiphuthumayo ebesifakwe kuyo sokuba ke kumiswe ingqungquthela ye-ANC esifundazweni eLimpopo. Le nkantolo ibalule ukuthi akukho ukukhombisa ukuthi siyaphuthuma lesi sicelo.
The application is struck off for the lack of urgency.
Isichithile isicelo besifakwe nguBasel Mabasa inkantolo ephakeme yasePolokwane nobhala wa-ANC esifundazweni uthi iqembu liyasemukela isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme.
Much we are happy that the court is refusing to be dragged into political spaces, and it's also refusing to want to impose leadership of structures of the ANC by a means of court order, that the court affirms the constitution of the ANC and its guiding principles that members who join voluntarily, they need to be subject themselves into those documents. We are very happy about the judgment.
Nomelelo ofaka isicelo advocate Ntsukubaloyi uphawulile ngokukhishwa kwesinqumo wabalula ukuthi bake baba nolwazi lokuthi alizulalelwa lolu daba enkantolo namhlanje.
What I can say is that we face challenges in presenting our matter. Firstly, when we came here yesterday, we were told that our papers are not on case line, whereas the papers were placed on time, and it was surprising that, so we were told that the matter won't be heard.
African National Congress isizokhokha izindleko zenkantolo.
Sithanda ukwexesa kwabaneyinhliziyo esheshe zizwele ngalolu daba olulandelayo. Zibakhalele abasolwa ababili ababhekeneke namacala okuhlukumeza nokocansi kanjalo nokutholakala nemfanekiso yokuhlukunyezwa ngokocansi kwezingane. Omunye kwabo uyiphoyisa usolwa ke nokudlwengula kunkosikazi walo ke kanti ukuzwa kabanzi ngalolu daba sixhumane nentatheli SABC uCalvin Dludla. Cabisa asikubingelele
sikwamukele nombukeli wendaba SABC esekhaya lolu ke udaba ke olubucayi kakhulu ke Daud njengoba ubusubaluleke ukuthi ke laba basolwa kakhulu ngokuthi ke bathumele izithombe ke ezithinta ke ucansi ke einkundleni ke zokuxhumana kanti ke ukhona ke okhulumela amaphoyisa uLieutenant Colonel Amanda van Wyk okuyena naye besenkantolo ozosichazela kabanzi ke wena Daud kanti ke ukhuluma isingisi uzothi mangabe eqeda bese ke ngiyakutolikela ukuthi ke uthini. Lieutenant Colonel, thank you very much for your precious time and your swift responses to media queries. You can just, for your sake, in summary, what really transpired in court today?
Well, a very good afternoon to you and your viewers. So, 2 suspects have appeared today in the Magistrates Court of Boksburg. These are the 2 suspects that we have arrested yesterday for possession and distribution of drug-facilitated sexual abuse as well as child sexual abuse material. So what transpired is that they've made their first appearance and the matter has been postponed to the 1st of April, and that is when they'll make the formal bail application.
You have tangible evidence that you've got the right people appearing in here?
Look, when we knock on your door with such cases, we have tangible evidence. So we're quite confident that what we have and what we're still about to uncover, that we have a solid case against these 2 accused.
You told me off record that themselves will face the full might of the law. No one is beyond the law, whether you're a police officer or not.
No, of course. So if there's anything that can conclude, my message is that the long arm of the law will catch you no matter who you are, whether you are within the law enforcement or whether you are like these accused. We will come for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Lo ke usigaxa amabhande emaphoyiseni omunye wabakhulumela amaphoyisa la eNingizimu Afrika usigaxa amabhande uLieutenant Colonel uAmanda wakwa Van Wyk kanti uyachaza ke ukuthi ke labasolwa ababoshwe nini ngeke ngengimbuza Daud ngesingisi ukuthi unesiqiniseko esingakanani sokuthi labantu ababoshiwe ibona impela laba ababafunayo uyaphendula ke ukuthi cha empokadlula labantu asibabophile yibo kanye labe besibafuna thina singamaphoyisa uma ngabe sizongqonqoza la emzini wakho sisuke sesinqonqoza sesiphethe bonke ubufakazi obugcwele bokuthi wena umuntu esimfunayo icala lihlehlile ke lihlehlele umhlalulunye kumbasa kuwona lo nyaka ngithatha intambo ngiyibuyisele kuwe estudio Daud eGlen Park.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba zeSABC uCalvin Dludla isibikela bukhoma ke eSeboksburg. Mbukeli kwamanje sithathe iqhu eyitolo sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi iNPA ithi sekupheleke iminyaka emibili iphenya ngethende latholwa ke inkampani kaVusumuzi Khet Matlala njengoba kulindele ukuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene ufane Masemola athweswa amacala okwephula iPFMA ngenxa yalo leli thenda. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomjalo bazo. U-Advocate Andrew Chau ngumqondisi we-NPA South Gauteng osamisi uyaqhubeka nokwethola kobufakazi bakhe esigcaweli sejaji uBess Nkabinde esiphenyayo ngobuqotho bakhe kanti u-Advocate Thembeka Ngcoka Ithobi umphika ngembuzo.
Andrew Chauke utshele lesigcawu sejaji uBess Nkabinde esiphenya ngobuqotho bakhe ukuthi obengumqondisi weNPA kuzwelonke Advocate Shamela Batoyi usethatha umhlala phansi wasebenzisa abashushisa amacala inkohlakalo ayibhekene nophiko lwamaphoyisa seKhethomena ukuze athole izizathu zokuhoxisa amacala ayibhekene nalaba.
There is a judgment of the full court which we looked at yesterday which already answers fully the question whether there was evidence or not in the docket to prosecute Major General Poison. Then you have the national director of the NPA, who then asks 4 advocates to essentially redo all of the work that has been done by the High Court.
In order to find a reason to justify the withdrawal of the case against the accused.
One would have expected that the NPA, being an organ of state bound by the Constitution, would regard itself as bound by those findings.
Indeed, I accept that. Yes. And it's highly improper that you second-guess the courts by trying to investigate that which they've decided. If you are not able with the findings of the reasoning of the court, the issue is to appeal.
Lesicao siqhubeka.
Umsola wesibili ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meya ubungani intanzi uphikisa kubufakazi phambi kwenkantolo obethulwa ke uDumelo Madlala uZandile Khumalo kanye ke noMthokozi Sithwala kanti ukuthi ke abakhulumi ke nhlobo ngaye bakhuluma ke ngomunye umuntu ngoba ke umuntu owangena kaKhumalo kwangeyena.
Ngobufakazi ophambi kwenkantolo obethula uDumelo Madlala kanye noZandile Khumalo ukuthi ubongani Ntanzi wayegqoke ijakhethi nesiqhoko. Kwavela ke ukuthi umsola wesibili wayemude kunomsola wokuqala.
The second theme that we were busy with regarding your height was that Mr. Dumelo Madlala and Ms. Zandile Khumalo testified that the second suspect was taller than the first.
Ebufakazini bukaMthokozi Sithwala wathi umsola wesibili wayephethe into efana nommese ecijile. Inkantolo ke yambuza ukuthi ukhuluma ngamuphi umsola wathi umsola wesibili. uNtanzi uthi wayengenayo intshebe ngo2014 njengoba kusho ubufakazi bukaZandile Khumalo benoDumelo Madlala.
Remember the evidence of Mr. Dumelo Madlala and Ms. Zandile Khumalo, they pointed you out here in court as the second suspect who entered the house.
Angikhumbula kahle Nkosi enkantolo. Abantu abayithula bangikhombela uZandi no Dumelo Madlala. Batshena icourt ukuthi mabe ngikhomba bangibona ngetshebe. Kusho bona lapha ecourt. Nkosi enkantolo, mina lapha phambi kwecourt ngangena itshebe 2014 Nkosi enkantolo.
Icala yaqhubeka.
Abamele ecaleni labasola abathathu abasolayo ngokweba imali eplazini elikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ePhalaphala ngoNhlolanja ka2020 baphikisa ubufakazi obethulwa kombuso. Abasola ke bavele ke enkantolo ke yesifundo yaseMondimolele eLimpopo ngamacala okweba nokugqekeza.
Abasolwa uEmanuela David Nizalamani uFloriana noNdilinasho Joseph babhekene namacala amathathu umuntu ngamunye ahlobene nokugqekeza kanye nokweba izindodla zamadola asemelika epulazini likaMengameli uRamaphosa iPhalaphala ngo2020. uDavid yena usolwa ngokuba unqondonqondo nokuhlela itulo lokweba lemali. Ngenyanga edlule bobathathu abasolwa bawaphikile amacala ababekwe wona.
You are saying that I must accept accused number 1 explanation or version that he received millions of rands from Petro to buy cars for him.
Ummeli wommangalelo oqala nosolwa ngokuba ngqondonqondo uyaphikisa ubufakazi bombuso ukuhlanganisa namarekhodi asebhange akhombisa isamba semali esasigciniwe nemininingwane kamakhalekhukhwini ebekwa umsolwa epulazini.
There is a person identified that deposit money, so that doesn't make it a crime. Your Worship, the state, seeing that was not enough, they were supposed to call an expert from the bank who is more qualified to an analyst who only duty that he does is to collect information from bank statement and put it on a spreadsheet.
Ummeli wezalamani zakwa Joseph uFloriana noNdilinasho naye ukhuluma ngazwi linye nommeli womsolwa wokuqala.
Or to establish whether there is evidence whether there is evidence which an inference may be drawn that accused 2 was aware or had knowledge of the presence of money in the sofa.
Ukuqulwa kwecala kuyaqhubeka.
Izakhamuzi sithi ukujutshwa kwamasosha endaweni ke ezikhungethwe inkinga yobugebengu kuzikhululile nakuba ke kusakhona ukukhathazeka ngokuthi kuzokwenzakalani mangabe sehambile amasosha.
Namasosha emgwaqeni yefundazwe ajutshwe kuzo emasontweni akamuva kanti zikujabulele nezakhamuzi lokho. Lolu usizo lwesikhashana lwenze wakhululeka umphakathi okungethwe inkinga zodlamela amaqembu egelekeqe kanti ezinye izakhamuzi zithi ngcono kube lesisixazululo akusisone sesikhashana.
In research, we've seen that the army has been deployed before in South Africa for issues like riots and COVID. And what we've seen, the outcome of that is the crime statistics still remain the same. We still have an increase in statistics of SAPS. And most importantly, the victim crime survey reports that victims still have more occurrences of crime.
Ongoti ababhekele ukusebenza kwengqondo bathi kufanele kube nemizamo okugwema ukuthi kungalawula ubugebengu ngoba sebenzekile kepha kuqinisekiswe ukuthi abenzeki.
The current intervention is very much reactive. It is not preventive. We need preventative measures to be able to deal with crime, not reactive measures. Yes, a combination will help, especially in keeping control, in being visible. So where there's visible policing, people end up behaving, but we do not have the resources to, in a long term, to be visible.
Ukujutshwa kwamasosha kuwulusizo olukhulu ongoti bagcizelele ukuthi ukuthembela emaphoyiseni kusazoba ingqinamba uma ngabe kungabhekwana nobugebengu ngendlela efanele.
Ngokolo masipha wezemidlalo ibafana izobhekana nePanama emidlalweni wokuqala ongcwake enkundleni keMoses Mabhida ke namhlanje kusihlwa njengoba ilungiselela ukubamba iqhaza emqhudelaneni wendebe yomhlaba ngoNhlangulana.
Namanje isakhungathekile ngokuphuma kwayo ku-top 16 kumqhudelwano AFCON ezinyangeni ezintathu edlule. Umqeqeshi waleqembu Hugo Plus uthi ukuthola umphumela omuhle uma iqembu lakhe sebhekene ePanama kubaluleke kakhulu ukuze leli qembu libuyele kusithemba.
It's a good preparation for us for the game against Mexico in 3 months. Is the result important? Certainly. The result is important. It's always important. The other way, the most important thing for me is, besides the result, is the performance of the team.
Ukapteni weqembu Ronan Williams ujabule ngendlela iqembu libumbene ngayo enkanjini.
You can see the team is slowly coming back. The identity, the energy. Training has been amazing. So hopefully, we can keep that and learn from AFCON and just grow.
Kusenjalo iMexico iyaqhubana nokuzama ukuphuthumisa ukulungiswa kwenkundla yaSteka eMexico City. Lenkundla izosingathi imidlalo emihlanu yendebe yomhlaba okubalwa kuyo umdlalo wokuqala phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neMexico.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakazi. Sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona eminoza kwethu bayeza ke nezindaba ngolimi leSiswati magama nxa ke uhora lesihlanu ntambama kanti ke thina sizobuya ke nezinye izindaba ngehora lesikhombisa kusisho kwamanje usale kahle.